Hello. In this video, we will be learning about measures, their categorization and computation. A data cube measure is a numeric function that can be obtained or evaluated at each point in the data cube space. A measure value is computed for a given point by aggregating the data corresponding to the respective dimension value pairs defining the given point. Measures can be organized into three categories: distributive, algebraic, and holistic, based on the kind of aggregate functions used. The first is distributive. An aggregate function is distributive if it can be computed in a distributed manner. For, for example, suppose the data are partitioned into n sets. We apply the function to each partition, resulting in n aggregate values. If the result derived by applying the function to the n aggregate values is the same as that derived by applying the function to the entire dataset without partitioning, the function can be computed in a distributed manner. For example, sum, count, minimum, maximum. They can be calculated for different partitions, and then we can uh, add them all or combine them all to get this kind of aggregate function. The next is the algebraic aggregate function, and function is algebraic if it can be computed by an algebraic function with m arguments, each of which is obtained by applying a distributive aggregate function. For example, we have two distributive aggregate functions, sum and count, and by using both of them, we can calculate average. The third category is holistic. An aggregate function is holistic if there is no constant bound on the storage size needed to describe a sub-aggregate. That is, there does not exist an algebraic function with m arguments that characterizes the computation. Common examples of holistic functions include median, mode, and rank. Thank you for watching the video.